Naniniwala ka ba talaga na magiging successful ka dito sa industriya?
Magpakahirap tayo ng gusto ngayon. As in, magpakahirap tayo ngayon para ang kapalit kinabukasan is yung ginhawa natin, yung ngiti ng mga mahal natin sa buhay.
I knew we must have been about 17. The beat was going strong, playing my favorite song. And I could tell it wouldn't be
Tumulong sa amin noon, parang siya yung naging mentor na kahit sobrang hirap ka na, sobrang bigat na ng dinadala mo, tutulungan ka pa rin niya. Bagkus itutulak ka pa nga niya na kaya mo yan, magagawa niya yan, hindi lang ganyan yung kaya niya.
dance with me. I love rock and roll, so put another dime in the jukebox, baby.
And Sabong, Miss Juliet
Come on,
Usero.
guitar and dance with me. I love rock and roll, so put another dime in the jukebox, baby.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome here at Royal Woods, and today let's do welcome the Parade of Nations, the Achievers, and the family coming from the Unstoppable Home of the Champions. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the evening. Thank you.
I am honored to address the team members of Team Unstoppable as we embark on this exciting journey together. Today is not just about beginning a new chapter. It's about embracing a collective spirit of determination, resilience, and limitless potential.
Ladies and gentlemen, this once again Abby, Jesse, Steven, Renz, the Iska Amazing! Please welcome to our Victoria! And now, ladies and gentlemen, our special guest, Chairwoman Mama Dora Usero. Once again, put your hands together for our CEO and founder of Ansabong, Miss Juliet Usero!
So let us fill this room with the energy of enthusiasm, creativity, and a shared commitment to making this year exceptional. Team Unstoppable, the stage is set. And together, we're about to write another chapter of success, growth, and unstoppable achievements.
Napakagandang kumpanya ng Unstoppable. Ang swerte natin dahil naging membro tayo ng Unstoppable. So this time, tatatak tayo sa showbiz. Thank you.
Parang last year, no? Kasi this is our kick-off party, no? So, ibig sabihin, last year, buong taon, lahat tayo humataw. Tama ba? Lahat tayo nagtrabaho at binigay yung best natin. Tama ba? Binigay mo ba yung best mo last year? So, alam nyo naman yun sa sarili nyo kung binigay natin yung best natin last year.
With my team, in behalf of my team, we will do everything. I will do everything to be
Unstoppable today. I put my armor on, show you how strong I am. I put my armor on, I'll show you that I am. I'm unstoppable. I'm a push up.
Paano yung unstoppable? But here, in real estate industry, Showrooms Unstoppable, maraming taong matutulungan at kayo yun.
Na hindi lang dito sa Unstoppable, but also competing sa buong Sure Homes nationwide. And ako, naniniwala ako, with your skills, with the experience, with the knowledge na meron tayo ngayon, ituloy-tuloy lang natin, again, the passion, the perseverance, you will become unstoppable. And you will become the number one sa buong Sure Homes Realty. Thank you. Thank you, guys.